Studying abroad is a dream come true, but managing your living expenses, that can be a challenge too. Rent है, groceries है, transport है और entertainment तो है ही है. So it all adds up very fast. But don't worry, इस वीडियो में मैं शेयर करूंगी ऐसी expert budgeting tips that will help you manage your expenses wisely while studying abroad. Before we dive in, hit that like button if studying abroad is your ultimate goal. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on expert study abroad tips from GradOut. Alright, let's begin. Well, budgeting की बात करने से पहले, let's understand the main expenses you will have while studying to abroad. Accommodation, rent and utilities. Next है foods and groceries. Monthly grocery है, shopping, dining out. Then comes the transport, public transport, bike rentals or car expenses. Comes the health insurance, mandatory for many countries. And then study materials, books, software, printing costs, and lastly entertainment and social life like eating out, movies, travel, and of course gym memberships. And here's a tip, your expenses depend on the country and city you choose. A student in London or New York will spend more than a student in a smaller city like Adelaide or Lille. The key to managing your expenses is creating a budget and sticking to it. Here's how. First, track your expenses. Use apps like Mint, YNAB or Google Sheets. Secondly, follow the 50-30-20 rule. What's that? 50% on necessities like rent, food, transport, 30% on wants like entertainment, travel, shopping, and then 20% on savings or emergency funds. Lastly, compare student discounts. Always ask for student discounts on transport, restaurants, and events. Here's the tip that many universities have financial aid offices. Use them for advice on student-friendly budgeting. Talking about the accommodation is your biggest expense, but here's how to reduce costs. Opt for student dorms, usually cheaper and closer to campus. Look for shared apartments. Sharing with roommates cuts costs significantly. Consider suburbs over city centers. Slightly longer commute but much cheaper rent. Check university housing services. Many universities offer affordable student housing. But this tip, book early because the best and cheapest accommodations get taken fast. Talking about the food and transport आपका काफी सारा बजट ड्रेन कर देता है और अगर आप केयरफुल नहीं हो, so here's how to save big. Firstly, cook at home. Do meal preparations on weekends to avoid eating out daily. Buy groceries in bulk. Look for wholesale stores or student discount markets. Then use student transport cards. Most countries offer student metro bus discounts. Then consider biking or walking. It's free and keeps you fit. And here's the tip, download grocery store apps for discounts and big coupons. Well, you also want to earn while you study, right? So here's what you can do. Check student work hours. Countries like Canada, UK and Australia allow part-time work for up to 20 hours per week. Look for on-campus jobs, library assistant, tutor, cafe jobs. Explore online freelancing. If you have skills like graphic designing, content writing or coding, freelance. Apply for scholarships. बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स को scholarships ऑफर करती हैं to reduce your tuition. And tip, at GradOut we help students find scholarships and education loans so you don't have to worry about the finances. So now you know that budgeting is very important, but so is planning your study abroad journey properly and early. That's where GradOut helps. We provide university and country selection based on budget, admission and scholarship assistance, visa and accommodation support, education loans and financial planning. The best part, you obviously know that our services are totally free for students. So why figure it out all alone when you can have experts guiding you? So if you are looking to study abroad and need our free help with university applications, scholarships, visas and budgeting, just fill out the Google form in the description below. Our expert counselors will personally guide you. ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक आउट दीज रिलेटेड वीडियोज, क्योंकि इनकी हेल्प से आपको पूरे अब्रॉड प्रोसेस की और भी क्लियर पिक्चर और हेल्प मिल जाएगी. And before you go, do like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for more expert study abroad guidance.